Hey guys, welcome back to the Bimmer channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're working on a budget set of BBS wheels that I picked up on OfferUp to either keep or to sell for a profit. You don't want to miss out, so stay tuned. So for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, you probably want to go ahead and do that. I'll leave my Instagram right here. And you can follow me there to find out what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and what I'm doing behind the scenes whenever these videos don't go out. As you probably realize, I put videos out sometimes between Sunday and Monday, at the latest on Tuesday, and I'm trying to get better about that. I will be adhering to a consistent schedule right after the Bimmer Garage moves to a different location. My wife and I are going to be moving very, very soon, so the videos might seem a little sporadic. I want to apologize in advance for that. So before we get into the video, I want to go ahead and recognize our sponsors. Devotee.com is an automotive apparel website that sells apparel for automotive enthusiasts. Made for enthusiasts by enthusiasts. They sell things from far from BMWs to Mini Coopers, you name it, they've got it. Go down to the description down below and check out the website, and make sure you use the Bimmer coupon code to get 15% off your purchase. So without further ado, let's get into the episode. As I'm sure you guys can see, these BBS have seen better days. The technical specs for these wheels are 17 by 8. ET38, that's the perfect offset for most BMWs, especially E36s and 3 Series in general. These wheels have been painted multiple times between black, white, and this red color that I'm pretty sure came off the shelf at Walmart. What I'm sure the previous owner did not know is the rarity of these extra wheels. It's nearly impossible to find these wheels in this particular offset, meaning that they might actually turn a profit. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know that I do restore wheels on the side as a side business, bringing them back to their original luster, and it's also another way that I actually generate income to make videos for you guys. So for those of you out there who are interested in getting to the hobbyist level of wheel restoration, this is a perfect example. Hopefully I inspire one of you guys to get out there and try it for yourself. Tools needed for this job. It's going to be some paint stripper. I like to use the paste because you can really put it on there pretty thick and watch it all come off. And some large gloves because my hands are relatively large. Some masks just to prevent yourself from inhaling any of the fumes. And I like to use one of these metal paint trays. The paint stripper is not going to dissolve this metal one. Try not to get the plastic ones because I'm pretty sure that will dissolve any of the plastic ones that you can get on the market. So without further ado, let's get started.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise.
Alright guys, so it's been about 15-20 minutes. The container says to wait about 15 minutes, but as you can see, it's well on its way to pulling the paint off. So I do have my non-marring pry tool as a scraper. It's a good tool to use if you don't want to scrape up the material or the finish that's underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and use that tool and start scraping off what I can, and then we'll take it over and we'll wash off what we can get off, and then we'll repeat this process.
Close your eyes, will you dream for me? Some paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak, got me on delay, 'cause I cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?
I went ahead and put another light coating of the stripper on here just to kind of get some of these straggling pieces off of here. I'll let it sit for another 15 minutes and then I'll take it back over to the water and spray it down, and then let's see if we can get a much better finished product here.
And run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me?
Alright guys, that's about all we have time for in today's video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. As you can see, this is a very time-consuming process. This process took me about 3.5 hours before I really needed to stop. That's how the wheel looked before. The previous owner tried to get off the old paint with some type of paint stripper, but he may have used a low quality stripper, and he pretty much just gave up on the wheels. So I got him for a great deal. So if you guys are perusing Craigslist, OfferUp, any of those platforms, and you find yourself dealing some wheels that have subpar paint job done on them, go ahead and consider watching my video, and maybe I can inspire one of you guys to actually give this a shot on your own. All it takes is a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time and a little bit of patience, and you can get some of the same results for yourself. So I want to thank you guys for watching the Bimmer Dude channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the alert button if you want to be alerted for more videos. Guys, make sure you go down to the comments down below and let me know if you like this type of video. I'm going to make this probably a 1 or 2 part series. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I did want to make this video extra long. So leave me a comment down below if you like this kind of video. If you saw something that I did wrong, something that I can improve on later in the next video, leave me a comment down below. And while you're down there, leave me a like or leave me a dislike. Let me know what I could do different. Thank you guys for watching the Bimmer Dude channel. And before you go, make sure you stop by the Bimmer Dude Automotive Garage. If you see an item there that you want to purchase on eBay or you don't see it, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. I do respond to comments in the first 72 hours. I'll do my best to add it to the site. And if I can't add it to the site, leave me an email on the website and I'll send your own personal affiliate link so you can purchase the item and you can support the Bimmer Dude channel. So guys, again, thank you for watching, and as always, peace out and Godspeed, guys.